In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact H&R Block customer service. Now, there's a bunch of different ways you can do this. I'm going to show you all of them. First, you want to go to the bottom left here where it says help, and you want to click on that. And then here, as you can see, you have direct contact us. You can click on that. And then here you have basically some different numbers. Or you could go to where it says HRB Help Center. You want to click on that, and it's going to take you to their official website over here. And this is where you basically can get in touch. So you could see some details over here, or you could scroll down, and if you scroll down to the bottom here, it says customer help and support. Click on that, and from here, as you can see, you have in-office, online, software, and financial services, and it's going to give you specific office support and then online, software, and financial services numbers over here, and via that, you'll be able to basically contact them. And if you scroll down a bit more, here they have their hours of operation, and then of course all the different numbers you can contact as well, and then the times when you can contact them. And that's basically how to contact H&R Block customer service the easiest way. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.